For those who thought that toothpaste is just to keep our teeth clean, we will tell you that toothpaste has endless uses with great benefits that make life easier for us, and today we are going to show them here. To corroborate the above, we have for you the 12 most incredible tricks that are possible thanks to the toothpaste that you normally use 3 times a day. Definitely after knowing them, in your super cart always there will be an extra paste. Check for why. 1. Extreme cleaning in your shoes. If the platform of your shoes was wide and lately look as if you had taken them out of a dump, your best bet is to put toothpaste on a small brush and carve the platform hard. To remove the excess, do it with a clean and damp cloth, they will look like new. 2. Stain in your furniture? No more. It is very common that our furniture is marked when we place a glass with cold water. To solve this, the only thing you have to do is to sprinkle some pasta on your furniture and with a dry cloth go to cleaning it gently and ready. 3. Impeccable lighthouses. It is very common for car headlights to opaque due to proper cleaning. All you have to do is put a little dough on them and rub it tightly with a rag ready. They will be spectacular. 4. Addition to the ink stains in your clothes. Super simple, as you just rub in the stained portion with paste, let it dry, and the next day wash normally and goodbye to stain. Read Bubba Ramdev suggests, do this yoga for 2 minutes daily and you will lose all extra fat. 5. Clean the silver. Fleet toothpaste with a brush or silver objects and this will be shining as if it were new. You no longer need to resort to a jeweler or spend on products. Some pasta will be your salvation.